always knew I wanted to live a life filled with beauty and adventure. Growing up in Finland, I was once a competitive ski jumper. Back then, my passion was the snow. Today, it's the sea. I did a dry dive on a holiday and I loved it. It was always in the back of my mind to explore the diving further. So when I stopped skiing, I knew it was time to take up this new challenge. I started traveling and taking scuba courses. One of my first instructors told me once he dived with Claude Wesley, a crew member on Jacques Cousteau's boat, the Calypso. He spoke about how these old guys, been diving all over the world, would still jump around the boat like teenagers to go diving. I want to be like that. As a PADI Divemaster candidate, I learned a lot about the environment, leading people, setting a good example. I woke up to a new challenge every day. As a dive master, I also found out a lot about myself. Now I have different ideas of what is important, and I've gained a lot of confidence as a leader. Every day allows me to embrace the world's beauties and gives me a chance to uncover new mysteries. I still have a lot to learn and see in diving. One day I want to dive with whales and great whites. Now I'm still getting better at spotting the smaller things. In the future I want to become a PADI instructor and maybe explore some wrecks and caves. But for now, I'm really happy with what I'm doing. Everybody wants to make a living by doing what they love. I am doing it.
My name is Aksu and I am a PADI Divemaster.